Good afternoon, this is Steven again with Zoomers RV of Iowa. Today I have you the Dutchmen Astoria 3603 LFP, stock number 2023. This is a bunkhouse fifth wheel with tons of storage. You got a giant pass-through storage here. Does come equipped with the 12-volt power awning, outdoor speakers. As you can see, you got the solid entry stairs. As you enter the unit, you will notice the nice white woodwork, more of a farmhouse feel. Let's go up here through the bedroom first. The bedroom has many features. You do have a large closet. And over here in this cabinet, it does come ready with your washer dryer prep. And then there is your king size bed. Also, a nice little dresser and a television. As we walk out through the hallway, have your large bathroom, plenty of storage, oversized shower with dual vanities. Let's head into the kitchen and living area, where you'll notice the gold finishings. It does have the island with your single basin sink. You got the 4-door gas electric fridge. You have your stainless steel stove, oven, and your microwave. On the other side here, you have a gigantic pantry. It does have your booth dinette that drops down into a bed, theater seating, along with television and 40-inch fireplace. And back through this door takes you into the private bunk quarters. You do have your bed down here below, along with a loft. And there is storage up in the loft, as well as storage for the bed down here. You also have a half bath back here in the bunk room. Also, as you can see, the bunk has its own private entrance. If you are interested in making this unit your own, we have this one listed at $65,500. You can reach us at zoomersrvofiowa.com. Have a great day.